In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Total Battle game app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with this game, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So for you to be able to update Total Battle game app, you need to go ahead and look for an update either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for an update on Google Play Store. To do that, I'll just go back and look for Google Play Store, and here's my Google Play Store. If you tap on this, now you can see we have the search button here. Go ahead and just search Total Battle, then search using the search icon, and here you can see we have Total Battle game that is on my smartphone. However, you have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Total Battle strategy games and then install it on your smartphone. Once the update is done, now you can proceed and tap on play to launch and play the latest version of Total Battle game on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.